the chicken wing, a classic.
Lime juice from one whole lime, spice them up generously, mix them up, wrap them, put them in the fridge for an hour, lay them on your tray, get them in the air fryer or convection bake, throw some butter in a pan, get the Frank's red hot, saute them 3 to 5 minutes, let them sizzle, get them on your plate, and then...
These are so delicious, you have to try them. The hint of lime, we sauteed a few of them in butter and hot sauce, but the spice combination here is fantastic. That's comfort food. Yeah. Oh, all day. All day those are so good.